Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Weller's channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the "This site is not available" error in Google Chrome. There are a few solutions. First, open the command prompt and type appconfig flush dns and try again. If that doesn't work, check out your network connections. Yes, click on Network Connections, select your adapter, and disable it. Then, after that, enable it again. If this still doesn't work, right-click on it, choose Properties, click on Internet Protocol version 4 Properties, choose to use a DNS address, and type 8.8.8.8 as well as 8.8.4.4 and click OK. Then close it and try accessing the site again. Next, ensure your VPN is turned off. If we go into VPN settings, make sure your VPN is disabled and also that your proxy servers are off. Or if they're off, try turning them on. There's also a way to reset the network. Just type reset. You'll see like a network reset. You can reset your network here. You can access this through advanced internet settings to find the internet reset option. Keep in mind, this will reset all your settings. Okay. Well, in general, there are two more commands you can try. Go to the command prompt. The first command is called enter. Press enter. And there's another one, reset, reset, and press enter and try again. That's all. This was Weller. Restart your computer and try again.